Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to uninstall Microsoft Office using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your start icon at the lower part of your screen. Click on settings icon. Now you want to click on apps. Then here, just go ahead and search for Microsoft Office. Right here. So now if you want to uninstall it, just go ahead and click on the uninstall button. Click on uninstall. Click on yes if you are sure about your action. Okay. So now we'll remove the programs and files you requested from your computer. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on uninstall, and that should uninstall the Microsoft Office on your device. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.